The move block. Terraform tracks each object by its state address. If you change an address by renaming or reparenting, Terraform cannot assume it is the same object. A move block declares old address equals new address. Terraform rewrites the state mapping during planning, so the real AWS object stays in place. A rename changes the configuration address, not the AWS object. Without guidance, Terraform compares two state addresses to config addresses and sees a mismatch. Mismatch becomes destroy old, create new, even if both blocks describe the same real parameter. If you rename the block and do nothing else, Terraform sees two different addresses. It plans one delete and one create. For SSM parameters, delete can be a real outage if something reads that name at runtime. The move block pairs the old address with the new address. Terraform updates state to point at the new address. The plan becomes no op for the remote object because the identity mapping is preserved. Refactors often move a resource into a module to reduce duplication. That changes the address from root to a module path. A module move is still just an address move, so moved works the same way. With for each, the instance key is part of the address. Changing a key changes the address, even if the AWS name stays the same. A move block can map one key to another, so Terraform does not churn objects. On a submarine, you never assume a valve lineup stayed correct after maintenance. You explicitly verify the lineup because the system can look normal until load changes. A Terraform refactor is the same class of risk. The code can look correct, but a missing move block shifts identity and the plan quietly becomes destructive.